A special custom project came into the works with a sweet friend sending a picture of a cheese board and asking if I could do something similar in Virginia Military Institute school colors. Challenge accepted, and I'm so excited to continue doing these special custom projects. I used an olive wood cheese board. I began by filling in fractals with a clear coat of the Total Boat High Performance 2-to-1 epoxy. This process ensures that the color pigments will not soak up the dark areas of fractals and the colors are more prevalent. Using a small thin paintbrush is a helpful tool while filling in the fractals. With the color fill, I first measured out 1/4 teaspoon of the Pearl X Solar Gold and 1/4 teaspoon of the Eye Candy Baku Red. I filled both small measuring cups with 1 pump each of the 2-to-1 epoxy. Links to these products will be down in the description. After mixing, I alternated between the red and yellow pigments using a small dropper. Overfilling is allowed. We will sand down to the fractaled area after curing. Like I always say, live a little and color outside of the lines. The epoxy has cured and now we will sand down to the original fractaled areas with a DA starting with 80 grit and finishing with 220 grit. You will need the surface area to be a bit rough when applying the top coat. I am quality control and must inspect the work of the sander. For the top coat, I mixed equal parts of the Total Boat tabletop epoxy. Before applying the top coat, I wiped the board down with a tack cloth to ensure there were no dust particles that would show in the top coat. Then I made sure I leveled from all angles. After applying the tabletop epoxy, I then used a propane torch to get out any air bubbles that were left on the surface. Now it was ready to hand it over to its owner. I am grateful for the opportunities like this given to do a custom project. If you are looking for a custom project, small or big, then please let me know down in the comments so we can get the process rolling. Thank you for your support and for watching. See ya!